As a fairly new teacher, and economics being the first subject that I've taught in my career, it's been an incredible resource to me. One of the things I think GCEE does best is give you hands-on resources and also connect you to other people who have resources. And so one of the best things that GCEE has done for me is connect me to teachers who have been teaching economics way longer than I have, and also connect me to other resources like the Fed that provide education resources that have been really useful. Without GCEE, I would not be where I am today. It's a difficult course, and so being a part of the GCEE community allowed me to connect with a lot of teachers who have taught AP Macro before. And so being able to connect to those teachers and go to workshops helped me feel more confident about teaching the subject, and then that translates to kids in the classroom, and they feel more confident about learning it as well. One of the things that GCEE does really well is show you real-world applications to personal finance and economics. And one of the ways that that benefits students is that a lot of times economics feels maybe heady or irrelevant to them in the real world. And so being able to bring in my personal experience with GCEE into the classroom and show them all the places that economics touches the real world is really valuable to them, especially because a lot of my students won't necessarily pursue post-secondary education options. So this economics class is really maybe the best and only time that they hear about economics or about personal finance. What I feel like GCEE is empowering. It allows teachers to feel confident in the material, it provides them with the resources, and it enables them to be successful in the classroom. Donors who choose to donate to GCEE are enabling teachers like me to be able to do my job in the best way that I can. And so being able to provide students a better experience to me makes the GCEE so invaluable and something that I hope continues.